Hey, this is Ricky Emerson with Advantage Hearing and Audiology here in Eden, North Carolina. Today what I want to do is I want to show you how to clean your hearing aids. I know you've seen this toothbrush and you thought I just got done brushing my teeth. Done that a few hours ago, but I want to show you how to clean your hearing aids up. So you want to get you an old toothbrush. You probably have one laying around the house. If not, go to the Dollar Tree, Dollar General somewhere, and just get you an old, get you a toothbrush. Also, get you some alcohol pads. It's an alcohol prep pad. This is typically in the diabetic section of wherever you shop at, whether that be a local pharmacy, Walmart, wherever. Just get you some alcohol pads and a toothbrush. So here's what you do. You want to do this once a week with the alcohol pads, and you're going to use the toothbrush once a month. All right? Now, your dentist will tell you to use it every day. Use it for that, but not for cleaning your hearing aids. So here's what you do. You take the alcohol pads, you just open it up, and that's what the alcohol pad looks like. It's just a little cloth with alcohol on there. All right, then you take your hearing aid, and you can wipe the whole thing down. So what I mean by whole thing, you can wipe the part that goes behind your ear off, not a problem. You can wipe the part that goes inside of your ear off, not a problem either. You just wipe the whole thing off with the alcohol pad. You can't mess it up using the alcohol pad. So wipe the whole thing off once a week. So that's that with the alcohol pads. All right, once a week with those, once a month with the toothbrush. What you do, you take the hearing aid, the part that sits on top of your ear, the bigger part of the hearing aid. There's a couple of holes on a hearing aid. And if hair, skin, oil, dust, any of that stuff gets caught in that, it affects what sound is being picked up and affecting the way that you hear. So what you want to do once a month, take the toothbrush and you just brush the back side of that hearing aid off, and that's once a month. And here's literally about how fast I would do it per hearing aid each month. Just brush it off about like that. Would that take maybe 2, 3, 4 seconds? Do that on each one of them once a month. So just a quick recap. Wipe the whole hearing aid off with alcohol pads once a week. Brush it off with a toothbrush once a month. The only other thing you'll have to do is how to change filters, but I'm going to do a whole other separate video showing you how to change your filters. So I hope you guys have a blessed day. This is Ricky Emerson with Advantage Hearing and Audiology.